A sight straight out of a movie. A towering cloud of dust swallowing up parts of Phoenix.
Can't see anything.
Drivers stopped as their cars were surrounded. State and weather agencies warning drivers to proceed with caution as the storm made visibility dangerously low.
We can see a little bit in front of us.
I think there's a car behind us.
For about an hour, planes at Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport couldn't take off or land due to a ground stop. Severe thunderstorms followed, leaving behind downed trees, wind damage, and widespread power outages.
Hearing the trees crack and stuff, this one felt like it was fast but devastating at the same time.
The intense dust storm known as a haboob swept through Arizona Monday night.
Look at this thing. They just got the warning like 10 minutes ago.
These types of storms are nothing new in Arizona's monsoon season, but this one packed an extra punch when the thunderstorm collapsed, blasting winds outward, scooping up desert soil and building it into a rolling wall of dust, which can climb thousands of feet high and stretch for miles. Monday's haboob followed a weekend dust storm in Nevada that blew through the annual Burning Man arts gathering, causing vendors to scramble to secure their tents.
Al menos 2 niños de 8 y 10 años murieron este miércoles en un tiroteo ocurrido en la iglesia de una escuela católica privada en Minneapolis, Minnesota, en el norte de Estados Unidos. Otros menores resultaron heridos y algunos se encuentran en condición crítica luego de que el atacante, vestido de negro, disparara por las ventanas desde el exterior del santuario mientras los estudiantes asistían a misa en su primer día de clases. Las autoridades informaron que el atacante de 20 años se quitó la vida.